You're making progress on your debt. You're doing everything right. And then, one unexpected bill, and you're right back where you started. Sound familiar? This video is going to stop that from ever happening again. You're making progress on your debt. You're doing everything right. And then, one unexpected bill, and you're right back where you started. Sound familiar? This video is going to stop that from ever happening again. The number one reason people can't pay off debt is that every time they make progress, an emergency wipes it out. Car repair, medical bill, job loss, and back on the credit card it goes. Before you attack your debt aggressively, save $1,000 as a starter emergency fund. Park it in a high-yield savings account. Don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. That $1,000 is your financial shield. Every time you get a raise or extra monies, your spending goes up to match it. That's lifestyle creep, and it silently destroys more wealth than almost anything else. Here's what wealthy people do differently. When their income goes up, their lifestyle stays flat. Every extra dollar goes straight to debt and investments. They live like they're still broke, until they're not. Next time you get a bonus, send 50% straight to your debt before you ever see it. One more habit in the next video. And this one will cost you the most money in your entire lifetime if you keep ignoring it. Subscribe, and I'll see you there. Full ebook with side hustles to supercharge your debt payoff. Link in the description.